Hello everybody, this is John Sholvik, and I'm just doing a short video to show you where we are with the BC24 and the weather project. As you can see here, we have a wind vane, an anemometer, a rain bucket, as well as an outdoor temperature sensor, an indoor temperature sensor, and here's the weather board that has the barometer and all the connections necessary on it. And finally, the BC24. We've plugged in and Switched Labs OLED display in the middle, and that's the difference you've seen there. I'm going to hit reset on this and show you the startup process. First, we have a little BMP or BC24 display. It's starting to come up. Those three white lights means it's looking for a Wi-Fi. The green says it got it. It's connected in the local Wi-Fi here in Switched Labs. Finally, it reports its IP number and also that Alexa is disabled, which isn't implemented yet. Don't get your thoughts up. Now what it's doing, I've got it set up right now to display indoor humidity, and it shows it about 40%. You can see the OLED display cycling through a variety of things. You know, I'll change the wind direction here and give it, flip the anemometer so it actually moves a little. And then we can see indoor temperature, barometric pressure, which can all be in metric, by the way. Rain total is 0 inches. A little wind speed. There's a wind gust to 6.7 because I flipped it. And finally, the wind direction is still pointed north. So anyway, you can see what this device is doing. We'll be able to change it to display many things, not just the indoor humidity on the ring circle. I've got it also so it's a digital clock, and we've got, it'll be able to display wind speed and direction, outside temperature, inside humidity, a barometric pressure trend, and then the digital clock as we said. So anyway, lots of progress being made. There you go.